We are one vlog away from 140.
Awesome.
140. This is 139. Welcome to Fireball Malibu Vlog. If you have not come to see us before, we do all kinds of things with cool cars, the beach life. Kathie over here does weird mascots.
I do.
You know, anything can come out of her shop. It's just weird. She's working on a plumber right now that has a plumber's crack for the movie Mascots. And we're currently driving a 2015 Range Rover, the Sport Autobiography Edition. Unfortunately, the car goes back today. I wish they weren't taking it, because this car is amazing, incredible car. Although we just drove in a Ferrari yesterday, the 16M Scuderia. I can never get that right. I think you have to.
The second one.
You have to be Italian to say it right.
Or own one.
Our own one. Yeah, that's the deal.
Then you'll get it right.
Yes. We don't know what's coming next. It's going to be a cool car. We drive cool cars every single day. We live in Malibu and we hang out and do, you know, everything from surfing to paddleboarding. And we're heading up into town today. I've got a few errands to do, and Kathie's got to continue building, so we'll show you some of that. So welcome to the vlog. If you haven't been here before, if you have, then welcome back. Guess what's coming?
A cart?
Halloween's coming.
Oh.
Don't get too excited. Okay, time for a plumber update. Let's go see how this is coming along. That does not look like a plumber.
I'm working on the inside of the costume so that it's comfortable and protected from any nuts and bolts that we put in there. You're actually looking right through the butt crack right at the moment.
This is the butt crack.
Just for an inside view. Put their soles on the bottom.
Looks good.
We'll get some laces. All right. Plumber's boots.
Okay, today we say goodbye to the Range Rover. It's kind of a bummer because it's a pretty spectacular car. We've shot for about 7 days and done all kinds of stuff with it. It's really practical on a lot of levels. Plus, it's just really cool. She's making fat arms. These are what my arms will look like if I continue eating the cookies that we have. We got a couple packages.
Oh.
All right.
For the dude's hair. For the plumber's hair.
This is the plumber's hair.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Nicely done. Yeah.
Oh.
Next one.
Oh, this is.
Oh, that's
the back of the hat.
Yeah, that's a ton. So this material is for the back of the guy's hat, which is over here. That's the dude's hat. Kathie's watching the vlog. Cool.
I can look right there and see you. Why do I have to look there?
Okay, I'm headed up into town. Got a few things I got to pick up for Kathie and the dogs. We got a few things going on today. Sean is actually headed out to pick up the vacuum form head that he sculpted for the plumber, and he is going to be delivering that back here at the shop within a few hours. So we get to see get a chance to see what that looks like. Got some great news from my dad because of the movie that he had just directed and acted in. He just signed with an all-new talent agent. That was really unexpected, but very cool. He's very excited. He's going to be doing all kinds of neat stuff. And I'm currently driving King Tahoe because tomorrow we have an all-new Kia SUV that's coming in. It's not necessarily the Range Rover, which was cool, but Kia makes some fantastic vehicles, so we get a chance to road test that and kind of goof around with that for a bit. Just another day of coolness. Oh yes. Shopping, I decided that I was going to go check and see if there was any homes available on Malibu Road. I found one. Pretty awesome. That was a pretty cool house. Not really my style. Very modern. Kathy and I like the beach type, places that have a little bit more character. But it's probably about a $10 million house on the beach, maybe even a little bit more. Pretty open. Not too bad. Alright, the head is here. Let's see what it looks like. It's gonna be awesome! Ooh, yeah. Check that out.
Pick it up and put it on the body.
Alright. Looks good. You happy with it?
Yes.
Alright. Alright, we're gonna get a little beach time in. Water's like 75 degrees. It's crazy! I got your bra.
Bug, what are you doing?
Hello! You're a mess.
That was fun.
That was.
Thank you for helping me. This is your head.
Okay, awesome.
Guys. Hi there. Look at that face. Look at that face.